Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm showing how to send WhatsApp messages using Excel sheet or use WhatsApp for marketing. So here I have prepared an Excel sheet with the mobile number and a name. You can fill as many as you want. And for testing purpose I have just replicated my numbers and put it total 5 times and saved it under downloads. Just make sure you are saving it as CSV. You can click on save as and name the file, and save as type, choose CSV. The normal Excel sheet it will not work. And give a name for the file so that you can understand, we can upload when it's ready. Now we need to just make sure it's CSV. Right click on the file properties and you will find the file name is CSV. The file type is CSV. So we are ready to go. Now we're going to close all this and we need to open our browser, which is Chrome browser, and click on the link in the description to download the extension, and click on install Chrome extension and click on add to Chrome, add extension. Now we have successfully installed the extension. It's very easy to install. It will not take much time. Just close this one. And you need to use web WhatsApp to use this feature. So just scan your QR code, visit web.whatsapp.com and scan the QR code, then you will be able to get the screen. Now you can see there is sender option. Click on sender, or you can also just launch the WhatsApp web directly from the extension as I have shown in this particular video. Click on sender to see this list. Click on upload CSV. Choose the file where you have saved the CSV, and you can see the file I have saved. And you need to choose the mobile number column, which is column 1, as we have done in our Excel sheet. If you have column 2 as your mobile number, just choose column 2. So in our case, column 1 is the mobile number, so you just no need to do anything. And here we're going to type the message, and we can also insert variable like the column variables. Especially here we have column 1 and column 2, and type the message hi, for example hi space or dear space name, whatever name we need. So what this extension will do, it will check the names corresponding to the number and it will send the message. And for example, I will use one more variable, which is our number. I'm sending this test message, is its mobile number. So the message will be like dear, whatever name we have given in a particular row, and you can also attach the files if you want. And put a delay like 3 to 6 or 4 to 7 or 5 to 8 depending on your internet speed. If you have a really slow internet connection, make it 6 to 10 seconds, something like that. After that, just send. So it will process the message one by one. It will check all the numbers which was there in the CSV, and it will process the message based on the variables which we have given, like whatever names or numbers is given in the particular Excel sheet or CSV file. And you can also see the status on the screen, and you can see there is 5 messages and 5 out of 5 has been sent in a few seconds. Just click on close, and you can see that I will send message to myself and I have received it. You can see the name dear test1, which was test1 was the name I have given on my Excel sheet, and the number which was given there. So thank you for watching, guys. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.